All right, Lee, I got charged with a felony sex crime that requires registration as a sex offender. And I watched that video about deferred sentences. Can I get a deferred sentence on one of these? All right, guys, this is Lee Berlin, Oklahoma's only attorney that's dedicated to defending individuals charged with special victim crimes, sex crimes, domestic assault and battery. And a question I get very regularly is, hey, Lee, on my sex case, can I get a deferred sentence? And for those of you that have not gone back and watched that video, a deferred sentence really is where you would plead guilty, okay, or no contest, and the judge would say, okay, I'm going to accept that plea, but I'm not going to find you guilty today. I'm going to put you on probation for 2, 3, 4, up to 10 years. And at the end of that, as long as you've not broken the law, done everything you're supposed to, paid all your fines and costs, I will allow you to come into court, withdraw your plea, and I'm going to dismiss the case against you. I'm going to expunge your court records. Golly, I want that. If I have to plead at all, that's the deal I want on a sex case. How do you do that? You don't. Not unless you do it illegally, okay? And when I say illegally, meaning it's an illegal sentence. In sex cases, okay, where registration is a requirement, you cannot get a deferred sentence. And that is controlled by statute in Oklahoma. The law says you can't do it. Now, I will tell you, I just had a district attorney the other day, an assistant district attorney, actually a very experienced one, extend a deferred sentence in a level 3 registration case. And the prosecutor at that time did not believe that my client should have a felony conviction. A deferred sentence was appropriate. But once they realized, once I educated them that that was not a possibility, that that sentence was technically illegal, they had to withdraw it. Okay, so now, are there plea recommendations that exist out there? Yes. Are there some counties and jurisdictions where the judges don't know the law and they allow these illegal sentences to get through? Sure. Okay, but the difference between can you and should you is different. You'll never see me go into court and accept a deferred sentence on a sex case, on a registrable sex case, because it's an illegal sentence. I'd be committing malpractice. I'd be laughed out of court by any competent judge. Okay? So shame on the assistant district attorney for being a friggin' idiot. Okay? But that's to be expected by most of them. But can it and should it happen? No, it shouldn't happen, but it does from time to time. But are you going to get one? Can you expect to get one? Should you expect to get one? Absolutely not. You will not be getting a deferred sentence legally in the state of Oklahoma on a registrable sex case. This is Lee. Till the next one.